Welcome back. This is Haunter POV episode 4, and this one is again a focus larger on customer interaction. There are some very special clips in here that I very much enjoyed, and it shows you different nuances that happen throughout the night where scaring isn't my top priority. Rather, entertainment is a better way to put it. So, without further ado, enjoy Haunter POV episode 4.
It's okay. Okay.
Oh, there's a clown! Get away from me! Get away from me! Yo, I fell!
Don't do that.
Bro, that's fucked up, bro.
It is. I know it is.
Yeah.
Jess, don't go in there, Jess.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Baby, I need my nails done too. Period. Yeah, thank you, man. I'm tasty. Eat my hand, bro. I was kidding, bro.
Go ahead, try your little thing. Oh, your outfit's cute. Oh,
I forgot you could touch me. I'm gonna touch you. No! You can touch me. Okay. Oh my god!
Yeah, it's okay. Okay,
Oh my
yeah.
god, help me!
No one's gonna help you. No one. That was worth it.
What's the song? How'd this song go?
Jeffrey Bezos. Jeffrey Bezos. I don't know the rest. That's all I know.
Send me that, Mia.
No, don't send it.
Yeah, send it.
Don't send
I
it.
saved it, bro.
Okay.
Turn and get out.
Yay.
Nice. Anyways.
Oh, you guys smell like cabbage.
Oh.
Cabbage.
Well, we just went through all the haunted houses.
That's.
I think you smell like cabbage.
Yeah.
You smell. Tell me.
Nope.
Oh.
I mean, a little bit. You sure? You sure? No. Yeah. Yes, I can.
No, she can't touch you.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Give me your shoes. Give me right now. Give it to me.
Nails are too long.
No, they're not. I can still get it.
Stop!
No. You were talking a big game earlier. What happened? What? I don't know. Ha
Nah. Why you getting scared, baby?
Hey, you know how to dance? Let me teach you some shit. Whole night, flash, little baby come. That whole push cheese? You're mean. Is that real? Is that real? It's so weird.
And then do the time lapse for the picture.
What the hell?
Don't do that.
Sorry.
I hate that. It's annoying. Now you're gonna do it? Johnny Long
Finger.
Johnny Fingertips. Johnny Fingertips. Huh? What? He's not gonna graduate, is he?
I'm saying, bro. And he goes to a prep school.
Yeah. God.
You like your job, bro?
I don't know. I almost ate a child.
Your teeth look uncomfortable.
My life is uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Don't touch me. I eat plastic. I eat plastic. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Where are you going? Got them long legs. They call me Daddy Long Legs. Whoa. Oh.
Give hugs here.
Do you want to smell my armpits?
Yes.
All right, here you go.
Do it.
Wait, I follow you on TikTok.
Thank you. Smell my armpits now.
Smell it.
I'm about to go with you. Hey.
Hey.
Do you work here?
Nope.
No, he doesn't work here.
Hi, Dad.
All right.
I actually read. Hi, how you doing?
Good.
Good.
Y'all go forward.
Don't scream, don't scream, don't scream. Dude, that's cool.
Go in the dark area. Go over there. Go over there. It's dark over there. Go over there.
I'm good.
Watch out behind you.
Okay.
There's people there. They have food.
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Calm down.
Yeah, we're cool. Come on, high five.
Smell this. Smell this.
I'm good.
Smell that. Smell it.
Good.
Smell it.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Chill out.
Watch out.
You're-
let's go, 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 let's go.
You can take it.
663. We'll do the same thing.
Oh, yeah.
Why did you think that was me?
Yeah, missed
When
you.
have I ever done that?
Missed you.
What about him though? Look at
Give me one kiss.
Oh, no.
Give me
Oh,
one
nice.
kiss.
Oh,
One
big
kiss.
one.
One.
Big one.
I give you one for free.
Nah,
One free
nah,
kiss.
nah, we good.
Come on.
We about to. Let's do 7-8. Yeah, 7-8. We'll do 7-8. Let's get game now.
Look, he likes it. Look, he loves it.
Now we good. He thought it was me because I usually do it to him.
Oh, really? I don't care what they say. I can eat plastic whenever I fucking want. I have tiny bugs inside my mouth.
Leave me alone. I like the piercing.
Thank you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hello. Huh?
You scared the shit out of me
I don't know what you're talking about.
in the porta potty.
Oh, yeah. That's
That's what that smell is.
what?
Can you sign it to me, good boy?
Yes, I can.
Thanks, Dad.
Hey, can you tell me where this is?
Your shit
No,
tough.
this is scary.
Hey, your fit tough, homie. Oh, God, his fit tough. Oh, God, hey, where you get that shit from? Oh, God, your shit tough.
But he don't talk. He don't talk.
He don't talk.
He
silent but
he only
deadly.
makes noise.
That shit.
Hey Sam, what are you doing? Oh no! Oh no! Stop!
Uh-huh.
Keep going, babe.
You're supposed to protect
Oh,
me.
I gotta protect. Oh my God.
Back to one. It's cooler.
Mom, take my picture. Nestle, take my picture.
Think you're drooling a little bit.
Got that! Got that! Follow you. That's what's making him follow you, bro.
I just want one kiss.
Bro, get away from
One kiss.
No, bro.
One kiss.
Bro, watch out! Stop screaming! Bro, stop screaming! Bodyguard!
Hello. Pee myself right now. I don't think you've ever been going to. Do it, turn around. I know. Turn around. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Wait for ball. Wait for ball. I'm not even out.
I don't use small because
Oh shit!
it's something really small. Really small.
Oh God.
You can small.
Oh.
That's a fire. That's a fire. That's a fire. Yeah, that's a fire. What's up, Playboy? That's a fire. Hey, that's a fire. I can. Oh, hey, talk about crazy. Talk about crazy. Oh my God.
Can I go pee?
No.
Oh! Sorry. Sorry.
Maya.
Okay. I'm gonna piss on myself.
That's fine.
Are those only restrooms y'all have?
Where's the other ones?
I'll show you.
No. If you're nice.
It's just a normal person behind the mask.
You don't know that.
Maya.
You'll take me to the restroom? No, you gotta promise me you take me to the restroom.
Maya. The restrooms are right there.
No, you take me. Yeah.
Right there. Right there.
I want you to walk with me.
Okay.
You walk with me.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you're not coming to the restroom.
No. Why would I come in there with you?
I don't know.
Come on.
Hey.
You're fine. There's nobody in there. Go ahead.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You open it.
Okay.
This is the only restroom I got.
No, there's more.
You got a better one?
I don't know. They're probably all like this, to be
I don't
honest.
know. I'll use this one.
Okay.
I hope you guys enjoyed. That was Haunter POV episode 4. Feel free to let me know what were your favorite clips. I'm always curious which ones people like the most. So let me know in the comments. And again, if you have any questions, stuff you want to see particularly, feel free to also let me know that. You're welcome to leave it in the comments, send me a message via Discord, Facebook, what have you. And thank you again for watching. See you on the next one.